Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is doing well out there. Today we are going to be looking at the S1 Mini Baton by Olight. I have had this flashlight for a little over 7 months. I have been extensively testing it and using it as my everyday EDC flashlight, and so far so good. I am going to show you all the accessories it does come with, and if you're interested in this little flashlight right here, I know that a lot of people have already tested it out there, but I am going to give you my overview of what I think of it. So if you're interested, again, stay tuned. Okay everyone, so let's talk a little bit about the S1 Mini Baton. It is a really nice flashlight. As you can see, all the little wear that I have done on it, I have dropped it a few times. Like I said, I've been using this for a little over 7 months. I've been using it as my everyday carry EDC flashlight. As you can see, it also has this really nice deep carry double clip on it, and I have dinged it a lot up. It also has this really nice anodized bluing here. I am going to be showing you everything that it does. Okay everyone, so let's take a look at the contents in the box. It's not much, but it does come with a few things. Like I said before, as you can see, I even took, there was like a blacking before right here on the button itself. And you can see right here the bluing of the anodized aluminum as well. I've taken off a lot of that bluing by scratching it up and stuff, if you can see. Like I said before, I've put this flashlight through the ringer. I've used it as an everyday carry, and so far so good. I have not had any problems with overheating or nothing. So let's go ahead and look at the contents of this box. When you first open it, it's going to have this readme. Let's take this out of the way. Let's go ahead and open this up and take this out. It is going to come with a little plastic battery cover for when you first get it. Like that, your battery won't have any conduction like that. You won't, it won't waste any battery during shipping, so you are going to have that. I'm going to go ahead put that back in the box, and I'm also going to put this in the box as well. It is going to come with a really nice standard lanyard from Olight, and it does have this little cinch buckle here that's a very nice sturdy. I never use these things. I don't know if you guys do. And the next thing it's going to come with is going to come with a little booklet showing you different things, different contents of other flashlights and stuff, as you can see here. And here are the instructions. And Olight also offers a 5-year warranty on all their flashlights, so that's pretty cool of them. And the other thing it is going to come with is a USB cable here. So this USB cable is a standard USB to micro USB, and don't despair if by some chance you lose this. You can use other USBs. You don't have to worry about it. As long as it's micro to regular USB, you'll be fine. You'll be able to plug this into a wall outlet in your house, or you can even use this on a portable device to charge your battery. So that's a really cool thing. So these are going to be basically all the contents that it's going to come with your flashlight. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to show you how easy it is to charge this flashlight. In a big way, I wish they would have designed this flashlight where it would have had the charging right here, where you could just magnetize it and just charge it. For me, I think that would have been a little bit better, instead of having to pull out the battery. That's just my opinion. I would like to hear in the comments what you guys think about having to take out the battery, doing all this, and having to do all these steps. Now, here's your battery right here. What you're going to do is you're just going to plug in your micro USB, and here, just that easy. As you can see, it's plugged in now. And let's go ahead and let's plug this in right here. And as you can see, let me go ahead and, as you can see, it's right there, the indicator is red, and once that is fully charged, it's going to turn green. So you'll know right away when your battery is charged once it turns green. And it doesn't take that long at all because it is a small little battery. It's not going to take nothing at all to charge. Okay, everyone, so I did want to talk a little bit about specs on the S1 Mini. Like I said before, this is a really nice flashlight for EDC, everyday carry. Very lightweight. I'll get into all those specs in a second. Like I said before, it is the bulb here, it is the LED right here, is a Cree XM-2 LED. And again, the battery is an RCR123A battery, and it is micro USB rechargeable as well. And it does have that double-sided clip, as you can see right here as well. So you could put this and use this as a, if you have a cap on, you can use this as well as a headlamp. So that's pretty cool. And it also does come with 2 timers. It has a long timer, which is 9 minutes, and it also has a short timer, which is 3 minutes. On turbo mode, you're going to look at 600 lumens, and that's going to last you for 10 minutes, and then it's going to drop down to 330 lumens. And turbo mode, like I said before, is going to last 10 minutes. And all that, once it drops down to 330 lumens, you're still looking at a running time within the turbo, from it going from 600 to 330 lumens, you're looking at 1 hour and 55 minutes. And if you put it on high, you're looking at 330 lumens, and you're looking at 60 minutes of on time. And again, I forgot to mention this, it's 600 lumens, so when you put it on turbo, you are looking at 100 meters range. And on high, at 330 lumens, you're looking at 74 meters. And once you go down to medium, at 60 lumens, you're looking at 6 hours of on time and 35 meters. And when you go down to low mode, you're looking at 15 lumens and 30 hours of on time, and you're looking at 22 meters of distance as well. And Moonlight Mode, it does have a Moonlight Mode setting as well. You do get 0.5 lumens, and you get up to 15 days of 0.5 lumens on Moonlight Mode. And also it does have a lockout mode as well, so you can lock it out like that, you won't waste any power. So I think that's pretty cool as well. And again, it has a IPX8 waterproofing. And like I said before, this is a really compact flashlight. You're looking in length, you're looking at 2.13 inches, and in height you're looking at 0.83 inches, and in millimeters the length is 54 millimeters, and height you're looking at 21 millimeters. And your weight with the battery, you're looking at 1.52 ounces or 43 grams. Okay, everyone, so I did want to demonstrate the different modes. The first one I am going to be demonstrating is your Moonlight Mode, which is 0.5 lumens. You are going to hold the button down, and there is your Moonlight Mode right there, which is 0.5 lumens. The next mode is going to be Low Mode, which is 15 lumens. And the next mode that I'm going to be showing is the 60 lumens, which is medium. And the next mode I am going to be showing is high mode, which is 330 lumens. And after that, you double press it to get turbo mode, which is 600 lumens. And that is 600 lumens there. Now, the next mode I am going to be showing, I am going to be shining down because it is going to be your strobe mode. So what you're going to do is press this really fast 3 times. And that is your strobe mode, which is going to be at 600 lumens as well. And this flashlight does have a memory, so it is going to remember, and it's going to go straight back to 330 lumens, so that's pretty neat. Now, the next thing I am going to be demonstrating is how this actually works at night. everyone, so what I did want to show you is how to lock this out like that. You won't waste any battery in your backpack or in your pocket or anything like that. Your flashlight won't get hot or anything like that. So how are you going to lock it out? You're going to go straight into Moonlight Mode, but you're going to keep on pressing. It's going to go into Moonlight Mode, and then now it is officially locked out. And the way you're going to know it's locked out is going to have an indicator light right there. As you can see, it's going to have a red indicator light. So every time it presses, you're going to see that red indicator, and this is not going to turn on at all. The way you're going to take it out of lockout mode is you're going to have to press it down, and now it's back on again. Hey everyone, I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. I do like the S1 Mini from Olight. The only critique I have for this flashlight is that I wish that you could just magnetize the back of it with the USBs that they have, and you could just charge it like that instead of having to fiddle around and take out the battery and charge it with a micro USB. I understand if it was a smaller flashlight, but I think they could probably get away with this tiny flashlight and make it like that. It would be more convenient to charge, and even charge it and use it at the same time. If for some reason you're out and about somewhere and you need to charge it, but you need to use your light at the same time in a campsite or whatever you're doing, that would be really neat if you could do that. That's the only little critique I have about this flashlight. Everything else, it is a wonderful flashlight. I like the deep pocket carry clip. I like the fact that it's double-sided as well, so you can even use it on a cap. I like all that about this flashlight. I do want to thank everyone again for joining me. I am going to have this on my Amazon store, so please do go check that out. I am going to have the links to this flashlight and everything in the description. Again, I know I haven't been around that much, but I am going to be doing a lot more videos. I got a lot of things coming up, and I am going to be sharing all my content that I can with you guys. Again, thank you very much. Again, please do go check out my Amazon store because it does help support this channel. Please like, comment, and share. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel, everyone. It does help out. Thank you to all the old subscribers and all the new subscribers that are coming in. Please subscribe. If you're seeing this video right now, I am going to have more content, more tints, everything. And I am buying a lot of stuff now, so I am testing everything out for myself and for you guys, like that I can give you the best products possible. You know, companies do send me stuff, but I'm buying a lot more stuff just for the fact is that I want to take that long time, test out products, and make sure they're working good for all of you out there, because we all need dependable gear, whether we're doing bushcrafting, whether we're survivalists, whether we're campers or hikers or anything like that. We are trying to find the best equipment that we can. Thank you very much, everyone. Please subscribe again, and please follow me again on Facebook and Instagram. Like, share, and comment below. It helps out, and I'll see you in the next video.